Hi, this is Attorney Lewis Haskell, and I want to discuss how my office is dealing with the coronavirus pandemic, specifically for this recording regarding our motor vehicle accident clients and I suppose potential clients. One of the great challenges that I personally am facing right now is trying to figure out how to balance, on the one hand, the needs of the various clients of this office with my responsibilities for the safety of my clients, the safety of my staff, and quite frankly, the safety of my family. And I think we have found a fair balance. In the case of personal injury and motor vehicle accidents, we are open. We are doing business as usual in terms of processing cases. We are not seeing very many people. And it's been very difficult for us because we kind of have to change the culture of the office. But we are doing that and frankly, I think doing a great deal of success. Here's what I mean. People are still coming in for intakes. They meet with me. Basically, they're really not meeting with anybody on my staff anymore, only me. For everything else, we're basically asking people not to come in. We've always had a long history of saying to clients, even at intake, look, if you get a bill, you get something from your doctor, you get something from an insurance company, whatever, just drop it off whenever you're in the neighborhood. We're asking people now not to do that. At your intake, you were given an email address, and you can use either lshlaw at hotmail.com or office at attorneyhaskell.com. Savannah monitors both of those, as do I. You were given a text number, 978-403-4543, and you're welcome to text documents, pictures, whatever, to us. I would request that if you have access to a scanner that you use that and send us the PDF, but we do understand that we're asking you to do this for us. Simply taking a picture and texting it over is acceptable. But we are asking clients not to come to the office simply to drop off bills, prescription receipts, doctor's notes, and the like. Although do please save them. And at some point, we would like you just to give us the original paper. Beyond that, we've always been very welcoming of clients who walk into the office and ask, how's my case? We're asking that you not do that. And in fact, because not all of my staff is working in the office, and especially not all of my accident staff is working in the office, you're probably not even going to be able to ask the right person. In other words, I may supervise all the cases in the office, but I'm probably not the last person to have done something, especially if you're just dropping by to say, how's it going? Because you're probably dropping by in part to find out what bills and records we've received, how we're doing on getting bills paid, where are we in terms of getting records in and out the door, that kind of a thing. And I'm very pleased to say that's not what I do here. But it all gets done because I have great people, and to protect those people, they're not all in the office now. Fortunately, we do have the capability of doing all of this virtually. I was actually scanning this morning's mail into the computers specifically so that my telecommuting staff could take care of what needs to be taken care of from home. So that is good. One of the things I've always enjoyed, quite frankly, and have always wanted to see happen, is that when we get a settlement offer, we bring the client in to discuss it. In terms of what's happening on a case, that is where the rubber meets the road. And what's more fun, frankly, than talking about money and how much the client is going to get? We're doing that on the telephone now. And it breaks my heart, but we're doing that on the telephone now. My claims manager is in the office. I'm very pleased that her doctor actually cleared her to come to work. I actually made her contact her doctor, and her doctor said no problem. But the doctor also suggested that she minimize contact with people outside of the office, and we're doing that. So we will be contacting you when there is an offer. We'll be discussing it with you on the telephone. We'll be discussing our negotiating strategy with you on the telephone. And yeah, it's not as much fun, but it is just as effective, I suppose. So basically, we don't really have very many people coming into the office anymore to discuss cases, to see us. The amount of foot traffic we have on the accident side is a fraction of what it was as recently as last week. And, you know, together we will get through this, but we will provide the service we've always provided, just not in the same personal face-to-face way that we are so proud of. So everybody stay healthy, stay safe, and stay strong, and every little thing is going to be all right. Thank you.